When the crisis hit, we knew that we could make filters for masks. There was no filter material available anywhere in the world. It was already all spoken for. Very quickly, we started getting a very high demand for people coming in saying, we really need filter material. Can you make it? The things that we do require highly specialized machines, and on top of highly specialized machines, they require people with a high level of education on how to operate them. When you're running 100 yards a day, you don't have room for error. You have to make sure that everything you do is in spec. We're able to figure out exactly how to dial in any type of filter that we want. So we can make the lowest end, highest volume, cheap filter, all the way up to the N95s. It takes about 3 days from the time that we start the manufacturing process until the time that that filter ends up on somebody's face. The crisis really highlighted the value of having local manufacturing capacity. For a long time during this crisis, no supply of anything was coming out of China. So, as far as we know, we're the only manufacturer of this material in the Northeast. We're sitting in a space right now that you see behind me that's part of Harbor Designs and Manufacturing. And so they're a great engineering partner with us.
When I think back to my grandfather's generation when they were over at Bethlehem Steel, working in the coke ovens, it was a very manual process. But now, with the advances in manufacturing, with advances in automation, it requires skilled labor. It requires a combination of the traditional manufacturing worker, as well as people that are highly skilled to run very specialized equipment.
It's time for us to rethink in Maryland what it means to have manufacturing capacity here. It's both cost effective and in times of crisis, it's critical that we have manufacturing capabilities here. In today's world, that meant filter production, it meant gloves and face masks, but who knows what tomorrow's crisis will bring. And not having manufacturing capacity in Maryland is going to cause us other problems in the future, so let's invest in it today.